Hey guys, it's Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal, and I hope that you are all having a wonderful day. I am so excited. Lots of new stuff coming to JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, one of which is this adorable new bunny digital. It is available now, so you can go and pick her up. She has just got the sweetest little face. Love her. Well, it could be a boy too, I suppose. But very cute. I had so much fun drawing her. I had someone request a rabbit because I have pretty much every other critter in my store and not a whole lot of rabbits. So went ahead and drew her up, and she is available for download now. One of the things I am in the process of doing is changing over my website. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you to see it. It's slow in pieces because it takes a lot of work to clean up all the digital images and change text. But it is going to have more of a JessicaLynnOriginal Studios feel once it is all said and done. When I say studio, truly what I mean is it's going to encompass more of my art and art projects. So what you'll be able to purchase on my store will still be those fun photopolymer stamps, digital stamps. I'm going to offer one-of-a-kind original pieces of art. I'm also going to be offering some stickers and swag because that stuff is tons of fun. We're going to actually also start doing, and I don't want to say too much yet, but if you love my dog stamps, I have drawn a bunch of new ones, and I cannot wait to show you what I did. So, slowly but surely, one of my goals has been to get as many AKC dog breeds as possible, and I figured out a way to do it. So, I am so excited. There is going to be more, though, not just the stamps or the stickers. We're going to also have t-shirts and tote bags featuring all of your favorite critters that have been hand-drawn by Jessica Lynn, me, of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios. So, if you love this adorable rabbit, coming soon there might be a tote bag with this cute little rabbit all colored in beautiful. What a fun springtime thing. If you love my Pitbull stamps or anything like that, you might see them also as t-shirts or some other fun products. So I cannot wait. I am so excited. I have got a lot of work to do, and for those of you that know me, I have a lot that I'm already doing. So it could take a little bit of time. But I have some new announcements coming. I have got some things that I've been working on for a while, including my book, as well as potentially restarting up a design team. And it's going to all be focused on the digital stamps right now until we get into the full swing of bringing back more new photopolymer stamps. So lots of pieces. So there will be on our Facebook post, and I'll put it here as well, that I may be looking for design team leads as well as design team members, so watch for that. And I'm just excited. We also here on our YouTube channel have our Digital Stamp Club of the Month. I am thankful for all of you. It definitely helps support my studio and my art, so I appreciate that. If you are interested in joining, there's a little join button. You can click on that down on the bottom right of this YouTube video. And go ahead and subscribe. What's fun is the members get to pick what I draw for the month. So if you're like, I want Jessica to draw this, you know, if you come in and say, hey guys, I joined, here's what I'm looking for. If we come to a consensus, although actually I've drawn a lot of different items, but we will go through and actually design that specifically for the specific month. So for example, we did one for January 15th, beautiful carousel horse, so much fun. And now this month for February, we have gotten requests for birds or some sort of floral, and the other members agreed that they loved her idea for that, and so that's where I'm going to be going. So exciting. But you know what? You don't have to wait. Go and check out the other stuff and see what we got out there. So let me talk about this digital. I love her. She's so cute, and I don't know, maybe it's me. I love the coloring part of it for me. I mean, maybe it's because of the artist part, but she's so adorable. Look at their little squeaky nose. So cute. Now, digital stamps, if you've never used them before, basically what they are is, think of it as art. You go and download it. You go ahead and print it off. So you put it into a Word document, print it off, and then I use my brother's Scan and Cut to actually cut it out because digital stamps don't have die cuts. Now, you might be able to get like file cuts and stuff like that, and it's something that people have asked for, and I've sent it when people have asked me specifically. But I don't currently offer them, and now that we're going to be doing more digitals, maybe I will. There's more than one new one up though, so if you're interested, I'll put the links down below and you can take a look at what new digi stamps we've got up. And it looks a little different too, so I'm excited. piece by piece. We're going to get there. But I think this change is going to be good, and I can't wait to, you know, kind of show you guys kind of where I want to go with Jessica Lynn Original. As of April, we are at 16 years of amazing business. I am thankful to every single person, and it means the world to me that you guys still love my art, still love what I'm doing, and care, and that means a lot, so I appreciate that. It means a lot to me, and I look forward to another, hopefully 16 or more, you know? I think this is so much fun. My girls love it. You know, digital stamps, one of the things I love is that you can resize them to whatever project you're working on. You know, so like this rabbit, how cute would that be to color 2 of those and then have your kids go and color them out? You know, like that would be, you know what, I think that's what I'm going to do today. I will go ahead and print those out, and then up on my Instagram, Jessica Lynn Original Studios, I will go ahead and put it, I'll put up on Instagram stories what my girls end up creating with their rabbits. That'll be fun. Now, it might be more like tomorrow morning. We'll see how much they want to color tonight, but so fun. Now, I do have a Brothers Scan and Cut, and Brothers Scan and Cuts are great. I will tell you the downfall, and I'm sure any Cricut person will tell you as well. The mats get so unsticky so fast. Like, literally, I feel like I should invest in like hundreds of them and just have them sitting there. But one of the things I've been doing with the Brothers Scan and Cut, it'll allow me to use like Scotch tape and just tape it on quick, and then take it off right away, and it won't ruin your mat. And it holds it really well, so it's not a perfect fix, but it works. So that's kind of my cheater way about having to not buy a million mats. So I'm going to go ahead, get this all lined out, and then we'll get these adorable bunnies and banners going. I will say, I do love the fact that the Brothers Scan and Cut finds all the edges for me. Now you can see it didn't do that great a job up on the top up there, but that's okay. I can clean that up a little bit. That's not a big deal. So what's fun is that I had it specifically cut out only one of the rabbits. I can go back in now, use the same scan, if you will, and then move it down to where the banners were, and I can cut out the banners and leave the other rabbit and the 2 dogs sitting on the sheet of paper still. So it's kind of cool. I like that. It's super easy. I've got a couple tutorials in our little YouTube channel here, so if you're interested in watching those, be sure to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to get the banners cut out. Now, the biggest suggestion I have, though, is if you are going to use the tape on the Brothers Scan and Cut, make sure you take the paper off there right away. Otherwise, it'll kind of permanently fix itself to the tape and actually to the mat. So just a warning. So I decided to use some brown craft paper as the background, which I think is going to look good. And let's go ahead and just get that all lined up. There we go. Press it on, make sure the glue holds. And then we're just going to snip around it because I'm using this as a full background. And then from here, I want to go ahead and do some layering. Don't forget, always sign the back of your cards. You are the artist of the cards. Side note, if you are using any of our digital stamps, they are for your personal use only. We do copyright all of our imagery, but we do allow you to go ahead and make paper crafts using our stamps. That's totally fine. Just make sure that you say, hey, the stamp came from Jessica Lynn Original. If you are thinking about, hey, I'd really like to talk to Jess about mass producing something with this image, please go ahead and talk to me. Send me an email. Please don't just do it because that violates copyright laws, and that's just not cool. So don't do it. So let's go ahead and look. I couldn't decide. I literally could not decide. I wanted to put some blue paper. I wanted black paper. I wanted this paper. And now watching the video back, I'm like, okay, the pink would have looked good. Yep, the blue probably would have looked good. And I opted for green grass. No. Probably the most generic plain bottom base I could have ever done. I think I probably should have used some of my inks and done some creative, background generating myself, but you know what? It's fun. I love the image, and for me right now my focal point is truly just showing you how adorable this little bunny looks. So the card, I would say the card is a 3. The adorable rabbit, though, she is definitely a 10. She is so cute, and I would love to see all the different variations of how you color her to look like your rabbit if you have one. I have a friend who actually owns a rabbit, and she adores her rabbits. Like, that's all I can say. She just adores them, and they are literally like children in her house, and I love that. She just adores them. So I would love to see that. I would love to see like 2 little rabbits facing each other, because you can print them off, so you could flip them and do mirror image as well, so they could be facing each other, little hearts. Maybe I'll have to do that next time. And I decided for my banner that I made, I didn't want all of the banner, so I just trimmed it down, put it down at the bottom, and I went, that card is a 3. Maybe less. But again, art is subjective, and I decided, let's go out and pull some glossy accents, and I put those on there. I was like, okay, what else can I do? I'll round the edges. That'll be cute. So piece by piece. But what I do love is just being able to show this off to you guys and to spend the time with you today and give you some updates and some new stuff that's coming. And I'm so excited. I've done a lot of talking, and now it's time for me to get down to brass tacks and get working and showing you guys what I really want to do with this store. And I just want to say thank you all for following me on this journey. Sometimes life gets in our way and we're not able to put in nearly as much time as we want on things, and it's one of those that, you can't regret what you couldn't do, but it's time to just focus on what you want to do. And you know what? Honestly, all of us can do anything we put our hearts and minds into, and she's so cute. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you go and check out our new digitals at our store as it goes through its new transformation. Be sure to subscribe here. It's free. And then if you want to join our digital stamp club, go ahead and click that join. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.